We'll guide you through how to fix being connected to a Bluetooth speaker but there being no sound. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as perhaps you want to go and play some music through it or something like that. To get started, swipe up and open up your settings. In here, you need to go and find the option for connections and tap there, and you want to go and tap Bluetooth. Now, what you need to do is just make sure you're connected. If you aren't, go and connect, and then go and press on the gear or cog icon to the right. Make sure audio is switched on, and where it says audio device type, select headphones or speaker, like so. Go and see if that goes and solves the problem. And what you should also do is just make sure your volume is increased. We can go and use the bar on the right here, and you can go and tap on the three dots at the top of the bar, and you can go and adjust the media. See if that solves it. If it still doesn't, come down and press sounds and vibration. Scroll down and go and find the option separate app sound, and try turning this off if you're finding it's a problem with a certain app, and go and see if that solves the problem. Coming back to your Bluetooth connections, find the device, and we can go and unpair it like so, and you can then go and turn the device off, and what we can do is go and turn it back on. And we can go and restart the connection, and we can go and connect to it again, and hopefully doing this will then go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.